you have to control yourself. Now, try to open your eyes without the eyeballs, like this. Okay. Again, close your eyes. Give me your hand. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Or is it eternal flame? I've always been a client of a blind masseur. Every time I go to the blind masseur, he always tells me, see you soon. Love is blind, and so are we. So are we, the three blind mice. That is yoga. I have to go now and free myself from the bad spirits. Away, 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 away. Hello, class. Welcome to Okay, everyone now position at the ballet bar. Is that what you call it? Ballet bar. Okay, everyone. Okay, follow me. Like pick an apple, put it there. Some more, put it back. And extension. Who knows the leg extension? Yes.
Do it first, we follow you.
My leg is short. It can only do this. Like this, okay? Imagine yourself, you are in a jewelry box. Then, that's the easy ballet, okay? I'll teach you a different ballet. Like this. Then, put the car in the parking space. That's ballet. Ballet, ballet, ballet. Now, when you get out of the car, leg extension, and split. Very nice. I have to go.
Congratulations, Team Miyerkulits! Ligtas kayo this week dahil winner si Kiray. Sorry, Team Hosts! Talo kayo sa katuwaan natin this week. Kayo ang mapaparusahan. Better luck next time, guys! Abangan ulit next week ang bagong pakulo ng iDare. Malinaw na malinaw! Team Hosts!
Wag muna guys! Wag muna! Let's save it for later. Wag muna what? Tipping? Tapos muna.
Malinaw na malinaw! Team Hosts ang natalo kaya! Kaya, time na! Fall in line, guys! Time sa inyong punishment!
Ito, tanungan natin si Kencho na si Aaron. How does it feel na finally talo kayo?
Hey, masaya kami! Masaya!
Guys, wag muna! Maraming salamat, teammates, for watching our very first All-Star TJF for 2011. Ino?
Next week, kita-kits ulit for more kantahan, sayawan at kulitan!